Yeah, today concepts, advanced concepts in Selenium. Today concept, advanced concepts in Selenium. Advanced concepts. Nearly, I will teach you 45 concepts in advanced concepts. 45 concepts. It will take nearly within 1 week. Within 1 week, we can complete these 45 concepts. So, first concept, first concept in Selenium, that is advanced concept. One is finding coordinates. Finding coordinates. To the first concept, finding coordinates. So, if you want to, whenever you are working with any application, each and every web element having one unique location that is called XPath. Each and every web element having own XPath that is unique location that is called XPath. Other than each and every web element having one x coordinate and at the same time y coordinate also. So we need to find out the coordinates. Each and every web element having x coordinate and y coordinate. So we need to find coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. How we can find out? That is the one of the very important concept, that is the first concept, to finding coordinates. Each and every web element having own unique location that is called XPath, as well as each and every web element have one x coordinate, other one is y coordinate. So we need to find out x coordinate and y coordinate. To the first concept, first go to Eclipse. Very important concept, that is finding coordinates. In this advanced concept, nearly we will discuss 40 plus advanced concepts. So, first nearly 10 concepts, very important. First 10 concepts, very important. After that, we can enter into remaining advanced concepts. So, all are very important, but these first 10 concepts very important. Right. Yesterday we discussed property file. Yes, finished. Next, today concept, advanced concept, finding coordinates. Finding coordinates. Go to Project Explorer. Go to Project Explorer and take the new class. Go to SRC, take the new class. Class name is coordinates. 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 Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. So I want to find out the coordinates. So now write the script. WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. Same. Interface name, reference name equal to new class name. Right. I want to work with the Facebook. So WD dot get HTTP facebook.com. I want to work with Facebook application. That's why I'm writing facebook.com. So simply, okay, if you want to get the x coordinate, y coordinate, take the any web element x path. Take any web element x path. Simply you can write wd dot find element by dot x path. I'm giving one web element x path. Just write here one method, new method, that is get location. Get location. Here we are using one new method, that is get location, and just to store in point P. This is the free defined class in Java. Point free P equal to wd dot find element by xpath. I am giving web element xpath. Here I am using a point. It is a predefined class, and get location. It is a one of the method. So here sy so control space p dot x. No need to tell about X. Why? Because it is also free defined. SYSO control space P dot Y. No need to tell about Y. Why? Because it is also free defined. If I write A, what is A? It will show error. What is A? It will show error. But whenever I am writing Y, it will not show any error. Why? Because it is a free defined. Point org open QA Selenium. Now give the any web element text path. Any web element. Go to Facebook and give any web element text path. I'm going to Facebook, facebook.com. I'm giving you one web element text path. I'm giving you one web element text path. Why it is taking time? Facebook.com. Right. Now give any web element text path. For example, I am taking XPath of create an account XPath. Create an account XPath I am taking. Copy and give here. Now we can get the X coordinate and Y coordinate. Save, click on run. Whenever you are studying 10th class, that time we can get X coordinate and Y coordinate concept. 10th class or
But why we
9th.
need to use again
No.
here we are using XPath, right?
Hmm.
Why we need to use X coordinate, Y coordinate? With
Yeah,
XPath we are able to identify the location,
right,
sorry,
Shabash. Good
identify the
question.
object, right?
Yeah, it is a
Mhm.
good question. I will tell you. Just wait 1 second. X coordinate is 581, Y coordinate is 565. For example, I am the one customer. I am the one customer. I want one application. I want one application. I want one application. In this application, I want one button that is center of the button, middle of the application. I want to, this button is middle of the application. So how can you find out? He's saying that button location should be 255 and something 150. X coordinate should be 255, Y coordinate should be 150. So that is the center of the application or middle of the application. So he's saying his requirement. So how can you find out? Without knowing this coordinate concept, you can't. So compulsory you should know. It is middle of the based on the customer requirement. He is saying my application, in this application my button should be in the position is X coordinate is 255, Y coordinate is 150 is saying. So without knowing concept, we can't get. So compulsory we should know this coordinate concept. Based on the customer requirements, that button should be there or not, we need to find out. Without knowing this X coordinate and Y coordinate, we can't. We can't. We can't. So how you know this is this center or no? So this is a very, very important concept, that is X coordinate and Y coordinate, finding coordinates concept. So this is the X coordinate, this is Y coordinate. So if it is button if it is here, then we can find out Y coordinate, X coordinate we can find out. Okay, so this is very, very important concept. That is the one of the first concept, advanced concept. It's very, very important concept. So based on the
Why
customer.
it is very important? Because are we using this concept very frequently in Selenium?
Yeah, maybe. So based on the, if it is whenever you are working with any application, based on the customer requirements only, we need to do work. Here, just we need to find out the position of the button or web element. So regularly we will use in the real time also. So this
Mm,
button is really available or not in the place, based on the customer requirements, it is positioned or not. So we should know.
mm.
So without knowing this concept, we can't. There is no other alternate. If you
Okay.
if it is XPath, if you don't know XPath, then we have another property. Properties like ID and name. We can find out without knowing XPath. Without XPath also we can find out the web elements. But without knowing this coordinate concept, there is no other options. Only one option, that is coordinates option. So x coordinate and y coordinate. Each and every web element having one unique location as well as x coordinate and y coordinate also. Just to, if you want proof, I will show you once again. Yeah, create an account. This is placed exactly. See, oh, this is coordinate. This is coordinate. If you see this one also same, we can get the x coordinate is same. Okay. If you take this one, y coordinate is same. Now I'm taking day x path I'm taking. Day x path I'm taking. Day x path I'm taking. Day x path I'm taking now. Now I'm taking day x path. Copy. I'm taking day x path now. Yeah, take the reference name different to P1, P1, P1. Save, click on run. Now you can get it. Now you can get it. Now you can get it. Hmm? What happened? P1.x, P1.y. One second, click on run. Yes. Observe carefully. X1 is same. X coordinate is same. X coordinate is same. X coordinate is same. This is X coordinate. This is Y coordinate. This is, oh, this is X coordinate. X. This is Y coordinate. Okay. In this X coordinate.
Basically, Akhil, this will be using for UI testing, right?
Yes. No, 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 no. This is
Uh,
not UI testing. UI means GUI, graphical user
uh,
interface,
uh,
right?
uh, uh, uh.
This that is UI testing means without performing we can see and say, but here is we can say, but that's not correct. That's conformly confidently we can't say. So why? Because it is our same or not. How can you say?
We can
So
see alignment, right?
alignment we
If the
can
first
say without performing any action we can see and say, but not exactly. Sometimes it will be.
uh,
Okay, just to,
uh,
oh, this is the x coordinate only. Okay, if it is same, already I know both are in the same x coordinate only. Please create an account as well as day also. That's why I can see and say not exactly. If you want to know exactly, perfectly, confidently, if you want to say compulsory, we should perform your action. Then only we can say. Now I'm taking
okay.
month x path. Now I'm taking month x path. Well, this day one y coordinate and month y coordinate should be same. Day day y coordinate and month y coordinate should be same, and year y coordinate should be same also. Why? Because this is the y coordinate. This is the y coordinate. Now observe. Now I'm taking y coordinate month x path. Mm, First we need to copy. P2, P2, P2. Okay. Now, now give the Y coordinate, month X path. Copy. Y coordinate should be same. Y coordinate should be same. Day and month Y coordinate should be same. Save, click on run. Yes, 581, 565. That is create an account X path, X coordinate and Y coordinate. Next, 581, 581, 432. 638, 432. Your Y coordinate should be same. Yes, 432, 432. That is the concept, X coordinate and Y coordinate. This is very very important concept, and here we are using, all are very important. This is also important. Here we are using one predefined class, that is point class we are taking, and we are using another method, get location method we are using. So using these two things, using these two, one is get location method and the point is it is a predefined class. Using this concept, using this one, using these two methods or predefined classes, we can find out the location of the web element, location of the web element, location of the web element. Whenever you are working with the qtp, if you click on any area, if you click on application any area, automatically it will generate x coordinate and y coordinate, automatically it will generate x coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. But here is, there is no, just like if it is qtp we have that option, but here is we need to find out. So if you want to find out, we are taking help of point predefined class help and get location method we are using. That is get location, finding coordinates. Okay, this is the concept of finding coordinates. Each and every web element, if it is web element, each and every web element having unique location as well as x coordinate and y coordinate. So using this concept we can find out the position of the web element, position in the application, where it is located exactly, we can get to using this concept. Yeah, manually, look and feel like GUI also we can perfectly, we can't say, using this concept confidently we can say yes, it is positioned, it is placed in so and so area. Next concept, it is also very very important concept. All concepts are very very important. Next concept, simulating the keyboard operations using Selenium. Next concept, simulating the,
Akhil, can we use IE11 for this? Because Firefox, my application doesn't support Firefox, so I want to practice for my application which is supporting IE11 only.
right now in my system I don't have any I11. So if you
Okay.
want, you have I11.
Yeah, in my machine, yeah, in office laptop I have IE11.
Okay, okay, we can work with I11 very comfortably. I will show you. Okay,
Mhm,
next.
mhm.
Okay, I will show you with I11 and Google Chrome, everything I will show you. Simulating the
Okay.
keyboard operations using Selenium. Using Selenium, we can perform all keyboard operations. We can perform all keyboard operations. Using Selenium, we can perform all keyboard operations. So this is very very important concept in Selenium. Why? Because so whenever we are working with real time, regularly we will use this concept, that is simulating the keyboard operations using Selenium. Simulating the keyboard operations using Selenium. For example, For example, I have an application. I have one application. Right now I'm in username field. Right now I'm in username field. I want to move to password field. Okay, in keyboard, what which key we will use?
Tab, tab.
Tab. So if you want to apply tab, we will use syntax here, keys dot key name, keys dot key name, keys dot key name, keys dot key name. So we will apply keys dot tab. Okay, right. I entered in username field three characters. I entered in the username field three character. I want to remove one character. So which key we will use in keyboard?
Say it again. Say it again.
I entered three characters in username field. I
Mm-hmm.
want to remove one character.
Backspace.
Backspace. So we will use keys dot backspace. I want to clear the total that username field. What will you? Which key we will use in keyboard?
Delete or backspace, select. So we have many.
Select and delete. Okay. So here we will use keys dot clear. Keys dot clear. So I have sign in button. I want to click on sign in button. Without using click operation, we need to click.
Enter.
And if it is laptop, it is working. Keys dot enter, it
Mm.
will work. And if it is desktop, it will work. Keys dot return. Keys dot return. So, without knowing this concept, can you delete this only single character? It's impossible. Okay, without knowing this concept,
Mm.
it's very impossible. Okay, without using click operation, we can click the button. So, in this concept, always we will use only send keys. Always we will use only send keys, send keys, send keys, send keys. Here is no other option. Always we will use send keys operation. So, how we can do? I will tell you. Just in this concept, we have a number of options. Already keyboard. In keyboard, really we have 50 plus characters, 50 plus keys. So we can apply all the keys. So how we will discuss now. For example, I'm taking Facebook example only. Go to SRC, take the new class. Class name is key. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. Hmm. Writing. Web driver WD equal
The
to new Firefox
new
driver WD dot get and taking Facebook only HTTP facebook.com. Right. Now WD dot find element by dot
by dot
XPath.
export
I'm giving XPath and I'm giving mm, send
send.
keys. Send keys only. Akhil Reddy HOID. Akhil Reddy HOID. Akhil Reddy HOID at gmail.com. Right. I want to move to password field. So I want to apply tab. So So can I give password expert and can I give username expert?
Username expert only,
Why?
because we are using username and space, sorry, tab.
Correct, Convent. Correct. Is it correct? Why I'm using?
Yes.
Shall I take password expert?
If you take password expert, then no need of keywords, right?
Hmm? Here I am using. Observe carefully. Send keys. Keys dot tab. No need of tab here. Without taking tab also it will work. But I am applying. This is the alternate. Okay. Now I want to move to password field. Can I take username expert or password expert?
Username.
Username only. Why? Because tab means leave from here. Leave from here. Leave from here. Tab means
Right.
leave from here. So we need to give username expert only. Leave from here. Leave from here. So from is username. So we need to give username expert only. Next wd dot find element by dot expert and giving password expert. Always we will use only send keys. Send keys something searching.
But without that second row also, we can use
We
this
can
one,
work
right?
with
Like
application.
if you,
Yes, yes.
so
That is not mandatory.
so when it will be useful?
Whenever some application it will not move to next page. Okay. Automatically it will not move to next row, next tab. So in that situation we will use keys dot tab. Some applications, rare applications, we have option wd dot mm, find element by dot XPath. I'm giving that sign in button XPath dot. Here also we will use send keys only. In this concept always we will use send keys. Keys dot return. Enter. Sometimes if it is laptop, sometimes it will work. Always if you write return it will not work. If you want out, just sorry. Keys dot enter.
So if it is having like 4 rows, out of 4 rows, I am using keys in 2 rows, and if I don't use keys in other 2 rows, then it will work or not.
Yes, it will work. If you want to apply, you
Okay.
can without knowing this concept, you can work with that application.
So somewhere I can mention, somewhere I cannot mention. Like
Okay,
so,
you
I
can, you
okay,
can write
okay,
we can take the property, a name property sometimes, we can take the ID property sometimes, we can take the
mm,
XPath also. Okay, that's
okay.
your choice.
Combination, yeah.
Yes, combination we can use, but this is very important concept. Okay, in advanced concept, we will discuss nearly 20 concepts based on this one only. 20 concepts, nearly 20 concepts we will discuss. Same, only simulating the keyboard operations only. So always we will use this concept. Regularly we will use. I will show you in the in 45 concepts we have 20 concepts only this related. Only simulating keyboard operations. Only simulating keyboard operations concepts only. So now we can take the username and XPath and go on get it the Facebook. This not mine. This is also not mine. This is also not. This is mine. All right. Yeah. Now we can give the username. Copy and paste here. Control V. We can take the password XPath.
Same, we need to give same. Yeah.
Same here we can use same ID if you want to move to, but without taking this option all we can move to next field, but that is the alternate password sign in button. Here observe carefully. Sometimes here is it is showing two XPaths. See, ID login button is one XPath and this is one another XPath. So whenever you are working with any application, sometimes each and every web element having some three XPaths also. So we need to take conformly we can't say which one we need to take. So based on that application we can take. Save, click on run.
So which one we need to take? So
We
first
can't
one or
say
second
based
one?
on the type, based on that
Oh,
application. Okay. And now
yeah.
I taken minimize XPath I taken. If it is go to hdfc.com, so then each and every web element are having three XPaths. What happened? Any mistakes? HTTP facebook.com, facebook.com, right? Facebook, facebook.com. Observe carefully. Previously it shown error. Now it will work or not. We need to wait. Hmm, hmm,
Sir,
hmm,
http colon forward hash.
hmm?
Code లో http colon forward hash పెట్టాలి కదా
No
డిస్ప్లే
need.
ఫేస్బుక్ డాట్
అవసరం
No need.
అవసరం లేదు.
No need. No need. No need. My application is opening very slowly. That's the reason it is showing error. Today, it's showing very slow. Application is invoking very slowly. That's the reason it is showing error. Just wait. Always I will write program like this only. I will not use slash. Enter the username and password and click on login button. It is not clicking. Observe carefully, friends. It is not
Hmm.
clicking on login button. I gave wrong password only, but it is not clicking. So sometimes it will take, sometimes it will not take. Just take return. Just take return. It will work always. Key dot return. Right. Save. Click on run. Now also it is application taking some time. Enter username and password. Enter it. Enter it. Enter it. Enter it. Entered your login. It is showing wrong password. It is showing error. This is correct. So enter is working. Sorry, return is working. Enter is not working here. Now, friends, observe carefully. Here we have these are the all options. Add, alt, arrow, and something. All the keyboard operations we have. All the keyboard operations we have. So, if you want, if you want, enter or return. Here we will use return. Okay. Here we have number of options you can practice. So next, I want to remove only one character. WD dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving XPath. I'm giving XPath and dot send keys. I want to remove only one character. So simply we can write single
Keys
backspace.
dot.
Keys dot
Is it
backspace.
clear? Oh, sorry, back.
Okay. If you want total, if you want clear the total field, then we can use clear. If you want remove only single character, we will use keys dot space, single space. It will remove only one character. If you want to remove many characters, many times we need to write backspace concept. Okay. So here we have number of options. So each and everything here we have number of options. Keyboard related operations. So you need to know all are very important, but these are the very keyboard, all the keyboard operations we have in this particular concept. This is simulating keyboard operations using Selenium. All keyboard, all keyboard operations we can perform using Selenium. This is very very important concept. In advanced concept, we will discuss this related nearly 20 plus concepts. We will discuss only this related concepts only. Next concept, next concept, backspace. Next concept, next concept is that. Sorry. Next concept name is that backspace. Next concept name is dynamic handling pop-up window. That is very very important concept. That is also very very important concept. Whenever you are working with QTP, also we can get that concept. That is pop-up window. Regular recovery scenarios. Recovery scenarios, we can get one concept that is pop-up window concept. Here also we have one concept that is dynamic handling pop-up window. So, what do you mean by pop-up window now? What do
So
you mean by
whenever you
pop-up
get
window?
whenever you get any unexpected message, then you need to handle that one, right?
Mm, mm,
Like
mm,
whenever you click
mm.
on anything that will show like invalid username or password, something like that.
Yes, I am giving only username, sir. I'm not giving any password, sir. Directly I'm clicking on sign in button, sir. So automatically it will show and we can get one pop-up window. I'm giving only username. I'm giving only username. I'm not giving any password. Directly I'm clicking on sign in button. So automatically it will raise pop-up window. So we need to handle pop-up window. So whenever you are working with any web application regularly, we can get pop-up windows. So we need to handle. So without a handle manually, so using Selenium, we can handle that windows. That is called pop-up windows. So if it is Gmail, if you are entering only username and we are not entering any password directly, if you click on sign in button, it will not raise pop-up window. If it is Facebook, it will not raise. If it is Skype, it will not raise. If it is Yahoo Mail, it will not raise. So only one mail we have, that is Ready Mail. Automatically it will raise pop-up window. So we need to handle that pop-up window. How to handle pop-up window? That is the next concept. Third concept, very very important concept, dynamic handling pop-up window. Okay, I want to give. I'm entering only username. I'm not giving any password. So automatically it will show error. If you want example, I will show you. Rediffmail.com. Rediffmail.com. I'm clicking on company mail. I'm clicking on company mail. Why it is taking late? It is very slow today. I'm clicking on company mail. No, it is very slow. Hmm. After clicking on company mail and clicking on sign in button, after that we can get one window, that is login window. I'm giving only username and clicking on sign in button. So automatically it will come one pop-up window. This is the pop-up window. So pop-up window contains only OK button only. If you want to dismiss, we need to click on OK button. If you want to accept, we need to click on OK button. So here we can use both methods, accept method or dismiss method. Whatever you want, you can use it. So here in this situation, we can use both methods. If you want to accept, if you use accept, it will click on OK button only. If you want to dismiss, if you want to use dismiss, it will click on OK button only. So whatever you want, you can use it. So that is the concept of dynamic handling pop-up window. Automatically Selenium will handle this pop-up window. So that concept name is dynamic handling pop-up window concept. It's very, very important concept. I will write the program now. So if it is Gmail, we can't get pop-up window. If it is Yahoo Mail, we can't get. If it is only Ready Mail, we can get the pop-up window. And taking another new class, go to src, take the new class name is pop, keep the mark public static void menu, click on finish. wd dot, we have keys, copy, pop-up concept, come to pop-up, control V. Yes, I'm giving readymail.com, readymail.com, readymail, mail, mail.com, readymail.com. So I'm giving directly, we need to click on first company mail, we need to click on company mail. So here we can use click dot click, all right, semicolon, copy, control V, control V, control V. First company mail, sign in button, and I'm entering username here. So send keys dot send keys, I'm giving username is triple A. Directly I'm clicking on sign in button, automatically pop-up window will come. So first of all, go to ready mail. Yes, we need to take the XPath of company mail. Company mail XPath, I'm giving next. Next, after clicking on company mail, we can get sign in button option. So we need to get the XPath of sign in one. Sign in XPath, copy, paste here, control V, and taking the username XPath. And directly clicking on sign in button. I'm not giving any password, directly I'm clicking on sign in button. So automatically pop-up window will come. Save, click on run. Yes, we need to handle this pop-up window. So we need to click on OK button. How? How? Simple. Simple. Here write the program. Alert A equal to WD dot switch to dot alert. So we can use both options, A dot dismiss or A dot accept. Anyone. Save. So it is accepting, it is doing or not. If you want, we can write the wait statement also. Thread dot sleep 3000. 3 seconds it will wait. After 3 seconds, it can click on OK button. Save
3 seconds or 5 seconds?
3 seconds. So
Jesus.
I'm writing 3000
Mhm.
milliseconds. That means 3 seconds.
Mhm.
Save, click on run. Today my system slow or net slow, I don't know, but it is still it is taking time. 1 second. Save, click on run. No, now also it is taking time. Click on run. Yes, now it is taking. Entered. Pop-up window will come. After 3 seconds, it will handle the pop-up window. Yes. That is the concept to dynamic handling pop-up window concept. These are very, very important concepts. First 10 concepts, very, very important. Already we discussed today 3 concepts. That is, first one, finding coordinates. Second one is simulating the keyboard operations using Selenium. Third concept, dynamic handling pop-up window. Just, just we need to write only 2 lines script. That is thread alert A equal to WD dot switch to dot alert A dot dismiss, or we can use A dot accept also. Instead of dismiss, we can use A dot accept also. Both methods we can use. Okay, this
సార్
is
అలర్ట్
very
అనేది సారీ అలర్ట్ అనేది మనం ఎక్కడన్నా ఇచ్చా సార్ కోడింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లో లేకపోతే మనం స్పెసిఫిక్ ఇక్కడ
only,
మనకు వస్తుంది సో ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాలని
only
ఉంటుందా
pop-up window alert handle చేయడానికి we will use this
అంటే
concept.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనము ఇప్పుడు రెడ్మీ ఉంది కదా సార్
Hmm,
అక్కడ మనము ఆ ఇక్కడ పాపప్ వస్తుందని తెలిసి మనం అక్కడ అలర్ట్ అనే లైన్ ఇస్తున్నాం
hmm.
లేకపోతే అక్కడ ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు
No need.
అలానా
Here,
లేకపోతే ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చినా పర్లేదా
no. Whenever you are getting the pop-up,
ఎక్కడైతే వస్తుందని
ఎప్పుడు wherever you want, you can use that one. So alert. If you want to handle that pop-up window, then we will use this alert method. Okay,
అచ్చా
wherever you
అంటే
want, you can use. If it is whenever you are opening any application, if it is showing any pop-up window, so if you want to handle that one, we will use alert one.
Mhm.
Okay, this is very
Okay.
very easy concept, simple concept. Okay, just we can apply anywhere, any application. So these are very very important concept, that is advanced Selenium concept. Three concepts finished, and I will talk with you in Skype now. Why? Because I'm now I'm stopping the record mode.